Wala ka ba talagang experience or never ka palang nakapag-work online? Hi, my name is Mary and everyday nagpo-post ako ng bagong videos na pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ng computer at internet. We always get this comment na kasi wala akong experience. Lalo na sa live, tas biglang, are you sure na never ka pa nag-work? Nag-work po ako ng 10 years sa BPO or 15 years na po ako sa government or meron ako negosyo ng ganito katagal. And I'm like, that is experience. I'm not sure why a lot of people think na when you say experience, it's different kapag ka online at saka sa corporate. The only thing that you need to remember is this. Pag magsisimula ka pa lang, kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa labas, yun yung magiging selling point mo pag magsisimula ka pa lang as a freelancer. But it doesn't necessarily mean na wala kang experience. Now, for students, let me ask, have you ever traded time for money or time for, let's say, credits sa school? Or have you ever handled, eto magandang halimbawa, kunwari ginawa mo yung jowa mo ng project, 'di ba? That's an experience already. Whatever you're doing in school, whether it's for on the job training, whether you're a student assistant, anything that allowed you to gain experience is already an experience. The only thing that you have to do now is how are you going to use yung ganong previous experience to position yourself as someone who can help the client's business. Now, kung hindi pa rin kayo sure kung ano nga ba yung paano nyong ipoposisyon yung sarili ninyo as someone who can help the client, then ask yourself this. What can you do? Administrative, creative, tech, support, or sales? Maalin doon? Pagkatapos, pag-aralan ninyo anong industry kayo malapit. Halimbawa, yung nanay ninyo ay ahente ng lupa. Tapos tumutulong kayo sa pagpo-post sa social media accounts. Why not consider doing social media management for your clients? While looking for clients, nagpa-practice din kayo dun sa negosyo ng nanay nyo. Something to consider. If you're not really sure, paano pa nga ba, saan nga ba kayo huhugot ng experience, you might wanna check out yung mga classes namin na may internship. Kasi that would give you experience and it would give you some time to really think about, is this something that's for me? Yun yung mga bagay na nakikita ng mga tinuturuan namin, mga mentee namin because they're able to do internship. We actually have social media management and marketing level 3. May internship yon. We have Amazon level 3. May internship yon. Pinakang marerecommend ako, lalo na if you guys are only familiar with, let's say, administrative, technical writing is a pretty good way to start. At may internship din yon. If you're looking into doing operations management, technical writing talaga. Yung kailangang pinakang entry point ninyo. Ganyan. Kung estudyante ka, technical writing, I highly recommend that you guys take technical writing no matter what niche you're considering because it will help you get that foundation that you need para maiposisyon nyo yung sarili ninyo na makakatulong sa client no matter what position you are sa or role you play sa kanilang business. We also have video editing. Kung hindi ka marunong mag-edit ng videos, take that class. May internship din yon. And guys, itong mga classes na to, kung kayo ay feeling ninyo ay witty-witty kayo, feeling nyo this is something that you can already do, why not challenge yourself? Take it one step further and take PPC level 3. May internship din yon. So you'd be able to check how to run ads, media buying, check competitors and see if it's something that you can, alam mo yung mga ganitong bagay kasi, like dito pumapasok yung sinasabi ko na pag gusto may paraan. Now, ang swerte na ng mga papasok ngayon sa freelancing world because may mga ganito ng classes na available. If you guys are interested to join our classes, all you have to do is click that link in my bio. Kung hindi nagwo-work, copy and paste sa browser. Sa Instagram naman, pwede nyo i-click to. Kung nasa Facebook naman kayo, i-check nyo yung caption. At kung nasa YouTube naman kayo, i-check nyo na lang yung description box. I'd usually post clips like this also at saka yung link sa thread. But if you want to know where the kalat happens, it's right on Twitter. You will then be taken to this page. Pag tinignan nyo dyan, pack free resources, nandyan lahat. May 364-day challenge tayo na pwede nyong itry. And sa pag ni-scroll nyo siya pataas, makikita nyo na lahat ng paid classes namin. So, ito yung sinasabi ko. Let's start with PPC, media buying, 999 pesos. Social media management, video editing, technical writing, Amazon Level 3, lahat yan may internship. Lahat yan meron kayong makakagain kayo ng experience. So, why not take advantage of it, right? 999 pesos lang yung mga classes na yan. May kasama na siyang live session. You'll get a copy of the recording. You'll also get 2 weeks of internship. You'd have something to put in your portfolio as a proof na nakapag-practice talaga kayo. You will also have mock interview, which is a practice ng one-on-one with me, and we'll also check yung inyong mga gagamitin para mag-apply. And after that, you'll get your certificates. The goal of our program is to be able to provide you with as much materials and experience that you might need para makapagsimula kayo. But nasa sa inyo pa rin yan kung ipupush nyo talaga at kung tatapusin ninyo. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!